Good morning. I'm going to teach everybody how to create a Flipgrid for your students. And right now I'm on my Flipgrid page as an educator. But all you would do is you would go to flipgrid.com and you're going to create your own educator sign up. I'm going to go to educator login though. If I already have a few Flipgrids that I'm really finding useful for flipping my classroom this year. And I have 24 classes. So I'm going to create a new group for one of my schools. And I'm going to call it BRE, Breckenridge Elementary, Colorado, Spanish. And I'm going to do my kindergarten first classroom. Here's my code that I'll give them. And we are going to use student email. Sometimes the parents will get notifications like, hey, your student has a song to listen to, a video to record, etc. So we'll do that. All of our students have emails at this web address. So that was added in before. And I'm going to duplicate topics for now. I've already made some topics. Mi nombre is our first topic of the year. We're going to describe the history of our names so we can pronounce our names correctly and get to know a little bit about the family lore of their name. And I'm going to do that. Okay, so now when I copy this, it's already copied, or I can even copy it like this. That little ID number, that goes to the Google Classroom Seesaw, to the teachers' classrooms, to parents, and that's how they just quickly go and sign up and get straight into our classroom. Okay, so here is my first topic. That means my first assignment is another word. Mi nombre, I can take a look there. And I have to recreate my video because I duplicated it. It doesn't duplicate videos. Okay, and let's see, I'm going to go back. And I also want to see, I'm just going to play around with this there, Flipgrid home. And I think I'm just going to make it individual. It's a Spanish class. So I'm going to choose my llamas, llamas. I think I'll do, let's see if I can find my llamas in here. I can upload a picture I've saved, or so that every class has their own unique picture to look at. Well, and I don't seem to have it right here, and I want to go through it quickly, so let's just do desktop. Here they are. Here's my llamas. Okay. And then I'm going to crop my image. And this is just a beginner screencast for me to play around with to see how much I need to prepare my screen in order to do a screencast podcast for my students. Okay, I'm going to hit update group. And there we are. There is, and then we can add topics. Topics are new assignments, so you could add a topic. And my next week topic will be show us your favorite sentence from our song Puedo ir al baño. Oh, that's all I can do. Title, Puedo ir al baño. Okay, and then I'll put my question in here, and I can choose how long I want the recording to be, probably just 1 minute for elementary. And then I can upload a video of myself talking about how to do this. Okay, that's just a real